Hello to all Modern Family fans. Welcome to our exciting new series where we dive into the world of entrepreneurs making serious money by leveraging their communities. Today, I will be uncovering the secret behind how one guy is ranking in the staggering $130,000 per month from his group. I'll take you through his entire process from how he built awareness to converting followers into loyal customers. And don't worry at all, I will break it down so simply so that you can understand how you can do it yourself too. So let's get started with some eye opening stats to see the stage. Did you know that according to the industry research, 76% of people are more likely trust content shared by regular people over brands? And a whooping 80% of community members say they feel more connected to a brand when they engage with a community. And this is why community driven businesses are booming by creating a sense of belonging and not only build trust, but also inspire loyalty and, yes, generate massive revenue. Okay, so first we need to understand the math. So according to his community, which is hosted on a portal, and it's called Adonis Gang, he has around 131,000 people in his community. Okay, and he charges $1 from each of them to join the community per month. So it's very simple to understand that if you have 130K members in your community and they're paying $1 to you every month, that means you're making 130K dollars every month. Simple, isn't it? So let's understand more about how he actually started. And sorry for my uh, banter pictures here from Squid Games. But yeah, this is how exactly Mr. Squid Game hero started at a railway station, isn't it? Okay, so let me quickly share the community with you here. Uh, where is my share button? There you go. To the stage. So this is his community. It's called Adonis Gang, and as you can see, my membership is still pending. So he has lots of videos which teaches you around how you can exercise, and then he posts every day. And then he has some additional courses there, which is available in the community. Um, and then he consistently posted. But right now it looks all green. The other side, the grass is green. The other side, but where did he start it? So let's do a quick search on Adonis Gang. So the first is the school.com community, which where he's making money. But if I go a little bit further, I can see that he has a YouTube channel, and this is the guy Hamza Ahmad, who is having staggering 2.31 million subscriber. Oh my god! Ah, here we go. To verify, this is his channel, Adonis Gang, and if I go back, this is his Adonis Gang URL. So that's correct, and he has lots and lots of subscribers here. So uh, from from the awareness section, as you can see, that he is bringing the customers from marketing campaigns, media press releases, or blog traffic, anything and everything, but primarily from YouTube, right? So back to the YouTube channel. So if I go to the video section here, and then I say oldest first, you can see that he started very basic, right? Very basic. The first video he posted was 4 years before. Oh my god! Oh my god! On the advertisement on the YouTube channel. So you see that he is very simple. His height was there, and he was explaining things, how he is building things, right? and then he started posting it. Now, if I go back, you can see that he posted okay, oldest. He posted another video, and then another video, and then so he was just recording his own progress along the way. And then you can see that this is 187K views to the video 4 years back, and then I'm guessing he was not getting too many views at that point of time, and slowly, as you can see, when he was started posting videos from the outside, working out in the park, in the house, in the gym, everything with explainer videos, things like that, and that's how he brought all the awareness. So ultimately, the fact is, if you want to run a business, if you want to make money with your community, the first thing you need to understand is the source of awareness. And my way of explaining business to everyone is simple. I don't categorize the whole funnel into multiple levels or anything like that. Make it simple. Awareness, where you make other people aware about your business, your service, your offering. Then the people who start getting aware of your service or your business, research about you, and then they make a purchase decision. Simple as that. 3 levels, straightforward, right? Okay, let's go back to the community. So here is very simple, that he brings the awareness for his business through the YouTube channel. And I would definitely suggest that you could start your YouTube channel too, and then create the awareness for your business from here, because I think that's the best way to start now, especially with AI coming into the market, and search engines are raising their algorithms every single day, changing, and it's very difficult to rank for keywords now, because everybody is searching for their information on AI, on ChatGPT, or on this search portal, which actually get the results from AI with the help of AI. So it's difficult to rank with your content on your web page, blog post through the keyword. So it's better and easier comparatively to rank on YouTube with your niche. So let's say you created you already have a YouTube following. If you already have a Instagram following, if you have a Facebook group where there's a lot of people there, so you already have your audience, or you write a newsletter where you have lots of subscribers to your newsletter, or you have a small community in your area, in your council, where you meet people every day. Doesn't have to be hundreds or thousands. You can make money with even 20, 30, 50 people. Once you have this awareness, then people start to know, Mr. John or Mr. David or Mr. Umer, they're, do provide this kind of service. And, I've been into the community for long. So what should I do? Next step is to give them the content where they can research and then reach out to you, because most of the people, they don't want to do the work themselves. They want to do either the work with you as a professional so that they don't make mistake, or they want to closely follow you step by step instructions so that they can achieve the results as soon as possible, right? So once you got the awareness, that means you got your community members, or your audience whom you want to sell your services in, attracted to you with your free content, because you're delivering the free value to them. That's what exactly Hamza Ahmed did with his free videos when he started launching, right? So what happens afterwards? Well, the second part is research. So let's say if I go back to the community here, but there are several other communities. So let me take you back. Okay, so here, Superhuman. So I am a member of this Superhuman community. It's very small, 159. Or maybe I can take you to another one with, there you go. High ticket synthesizer school, 11,000 for 11,000 members. And then you can see that the content builder, content creator, Betty Van and Andrew Kirby, they're all creating this content on a daily basis. They're posting it, they're sending emails, etc., etc. That doesn't mean that their aware customer will buy the product or the service they're selling. That definitely means that when they are looking for something, they're selling their service, they will definitely first reach out. I mean, imagine if you have a friend who is a plumber, or imagine if you have a friend who has a van. If you're moving your house, whom you will call the first? Even though he is the most expensive handyman in the town, you will still call that person and say, "Oh, hey, buddy, would you be able to give me a discount? I know you're professional and high-end service provider. Can you do me a favor? I want to move my house from one place to another, and then I want to hire somebody like you." And then definitely that person will give you a discount, because that person also knows that you've been with the community for so long, right? And that's how the power of the community works out. It's a win-win situation for all of people who are in the community. So when we talk about the research part, this research part is actually overlapping with the awareness part, because awareness and research is connected very closely. So that's why it's very important, and that's where it starts getting interesting, because once your prospect or your lead or your or community member already is aware of the service, the product you're selling, the next part is the purchase decision. I mean, imagine if you have $100,000 value delivered to you for just $1 a month. Math. It's a simple math. So you will definitely join the gang, and then you will say, "Oh, it's just $1 a month, and I will get into shape, maybe get into not 8 or 6 pack, but at least 4 packs, and that will enable me to look good, boost my confidence, everything." And I would definitely join it. So that's where the purchase decision comes. So when it comes to purchasing decision, you have to provide the community members an offer which is so good that they cannot deny it. And this is the 3 simple steps to make hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month. Aware your people, bring your customers from different sources, whichever source you feel comfortable with, and then keep engaging with them on your community, and then potentially when they reach out to you, then sell them things with a great offer. 3 simple steps, and you will make enough money with your service. Product. Now, after that, there are multiple stages, and I don't want to confuse you, but there's like loyalty and advocacy, where the customers who are with you become your loyal customers, and then they become your advocate, and they spread the words, etc., etc. But we will cover these steps later on different videos. So this is how, with 3 step plan, you can achieve the similar results as this person says, right? Now, I'm not going to ask you for your email. I'm not giving you an ebook, not doing any workshop, not any affiliate link, no contract number, no offer, nothing. These videos are purely for you to understand how you can also make money with your community. Okay? Now, if you want to, let's assume that you already have a source of awareness, whichever social media or website or wherever you're bringing your community members, then you need a place to manage all this. So this is a place, school.com, but the problem with school.com is it's very, very expensive. It's $99 for a month, which gives you all these features. So what I was thinking is, what if you don't have that much money and you want to start your community and build a business around it? Okay, so now, considering that you already have a source of awareness for your community members, for example, you have a Instagram account, you have a Facebook group, Facebook profile, business profile, or you have a YouTube channel, or any other place like Twitch or a newsletter, etc. You have your followers there. How do you convert them into customers? So you need a place where you can bring them into a community and then leverage the fact to connect with them and bring a value together, right? And for that, you need a place to do that. So now on school.com, if you go and then you create a community, it's quite expensive. It's it's $99 a month, right? And there's no free account to test it or anything. So what if you don't have that kind of money? How you are going to create a community, to test if it's gonna work for you? Well, I have good news for you. You can do that with a website called artcircles.com. So you go on the website, it's artcircles.com, and then you simply log in into your account, and then you click on plus group. Here you can create a group and then describe it, upload the image, select your location, etc., and then create it. And it will not ask you for your credit card or any money because creation of group is free. When you click on the groups, you will see all of your groups which you have joined or you manage yourself, right? And then you can just click on manage button. So once you click on manage button, you will be able to see all the options you have to manage this group. Let's say, for example, if I want to see the group which I have created, which is a founders meetup in London, and I've posted some events here, etc. But let's go back to the manage section. So here I can see all the members of my group. Very simple. I can edit it. I can make the host or ban them. So all the options are available for me here very easily. Can do that. And then if I enable join requests, then people will not be able to join your group instantly. They have to send your request and then you approve them. You can create events inside your group here in the event section where you can click event and then creates it. You can upload pictures, upload resources in email. We will, talk about it later in the next section. But yeah, it's free and you can manage your community here. And once your community is growing, then obviously you can upgrade with their plans and then, start making money. So this is how you can do it yourself. So you just have to copy the same approach. I'm not saying, if you are into health or science or digital marketing, you can do it for any sort of niche. Just bring the awareness. So awareness picture here. Yeah, there you go. So you aware people and then you provide them more content, you engage with them, and then they will make the purchase decision. So this is simple, straightforward. So if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and follow the channel because I will be going through a lot of communities like this to give you an idea how they make money, how they aware people, and how you can do it as they're doing it too. Hang tight, peace up, and have a nice one. Cheers.